Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy, students and staff. Hi, this is Aiden, coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Wednesday, March 14th, 2018. Happy Pi Day! The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 23 degrees. Later today, we're expecting a high of 47 and a low of 27, with partly cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Noah, Robin,
Zechariah,
Addison.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Bulls lost to the Los Angeles Clippers by a score of 112 to 106. And in preseason baseball, the Cubs won against the San Francisco Giants with a score of 2-1. Clubs meet today are 5th grade band buddies in the band room at 11, and 2nd grade scrapbook club in room 214 at 11:20. Today's announcements are: attention all 2nd grade dance club members. Please go to room 107 for a quick club picture after announcements are over. Tomorrow morning is Moms and Muffins for kindergarten, 2nd, 4th, and 6th grades. Enjoy muffins in the gym at 7:45. Now a message from Miss Ingram and Miss Canoon.
Good morning, wonderful, lovely Hoover staff and students. Happy Wednesday. Good morning, Miss Canoon. How are you?
Good morning. Good. We kind of missed it yesterday, being on announcements. It was kind of sad.
It was sad. We love being on announcements. It's like
do.
our favorite time of the day.
We do.
Yes, we were out at meetings and we were back in the afternoon, so we did get to see a lot of your lovely faces. Some fun days today. It's National Write Your Own Story Day. So today for writing, or maybe in your independent work, you can write a story.
National Children's Craft Day, so maybe in art class you're doing a crafty type item or at home.
Maybe after school you could do a craft. And then it is National Pi Day, P-I, so you can ask in math class what that means and what that is. But it does give you an excuse to eat pie if you are wondering about that as well.
And speaking of eating, National Potato Chip Day. I love potato chips.
Yes,
So
potato chips and pie, delicious. And then a quick announcement, all PBIS ambassadors, please go to the music room after announcements because they're going to take a photo for the yearbook. And then we have some students we're going to invite up. They have some announcements for us. Come on up.
big crowd this morning on announcements.
So in social studies, we're learning about...
First we have to tell who you are.
Introduce yourselves.
I'm Chelsea.
I'm Miss Fleischer.
From room 117, Ms. Hofeldt.
So in class, we're learning about in social studies the colonies. So we chose to share about Rhode Island.
We have here the jobs, the government, and the land.
You can catch animals and change their fur. You can grow crops if you are sure. You can catch fish and put them in a dish. You can chop wood in the forest, that's good. You can choose your leaders and wish to be,
and you won't be religiously
free.
Nice job! That was awesome. Thank you guys. We got some like dancers breaking it down in the back over there. Great job. Thank you. It's not easy to come up here and do that, so great job. All right, our next group, come on up. Are you guys singing? No. That's fine. Not everyone has to sing.
Introduce yourselves first.
Introduce yourselves.
I'm Sarah,
Christian.
I'm Humberto.
and we're from 117 Miss Hofeld's class.
Okay.
So we made a billboard about Maryland.
Yeah, and then this, and then this is like the economy, the community, and then the freedom.
Anything else?
No.
No. All right. Thank you for sharing. Very nice artwork. I love it. It's like
Yes.
3D.
It is.
Very nice. Thank you, guys.
Next.
All right. Next up, last group.
This is the tall group.
This is the top group.
Yep.
I'm the shortest.
Lexi, stand in the middle. Well, okay.
Sally, your way to Massachusetts.
I'm Gordon. I mean,
You're Alexa.
Can you guys introduce yourselves?
I'm Alexa.
I'm Gordon.
I'm Alexi.
We're talking about in social studies in colonies, and we did Massachusetts Bay. We have clean water, and you can timber for building. We also whale hunt. We have religious freedom, and our farming is very successful. So there's enough food for everyone.
Sailed to Massachusetts Bay.
Democracy is our policy, and
Anything else? All right. Thank you, guys.
Can I go, Alexa?
You're good. You guys can go. Thank you. Great job. And Mrs. Kozak is coming on up. She has an announcement for us for something to do on a Friday night.
I am here to remind everyone about the exciting cultural event coming to our very own Hoover Gym. You won't want to miss Around the World at Hoover this Friday from 5:30 to 7. And when you're there, you can watch the talented Hoover students putting on performances, and you can sample delicious foods from many cultures. So it's Around the World at Hoover this Friday, 5:30 to 7. You don't want to miss it. Can't wait to see you there.
We will see you there.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. Stay classy, Hoover.
thank you, Miss Sankum and Miss Canoon. Wednesday's words of wisdom are, life is so much brighter when we focus on what truly matters. That's all for today. This week's pictures and sign-offs are brought to you by the 3rd grade class in room 121. Enjoy your National Pie and Local Pie Wednesday.